Hello, I'm Philipp, founder of Exceedingly Vegan and Dressini Tahini dressings, and I'm here with my friend Louise Schofield.
Hello, how's it going?
Good, thank you.
It's good to be here, thank you.
Louise was at the National TV Awards yesterday. She presented.
Yes, it was so much fun. Did so many interviews and my voice is a little bit croaky today, but I'm ready to get stuck into some of this stuff. It all looks delicious.
Perfect, yeah. So I invited Louise round because she's also a fan of our Dressini Tahini dressings. And after a big night out like yesterday, I thought she needed a little bit of strength.
I do.
Yeah. So let's get some nutrition in you. And I've made 3 dishes. One is a couscous, the other one is a keto salad, and then we also have a sandwich. So quite a lot of food to get through today.
Oh, and it's gonna do me right, I tell you, I need this in my life.
Perfect. So, well, do you want to start with the couscous first?
Yes, absolutely. This looks absolutely delicious.
Couscous is really super simple. Just literally couscous, a few veggies, parsley, a little bit of salt, and then our turmeric and ginger tahini dressing.
Which is delicious. I have tried this one before, and the turmeric and the ginger together is just, it's a dream team. I have to say, it is a dream team. It's lovely.
And the color is also so vibrant as well.
Oh, I see, and all of these as well, the pink as well, you know, all of them is lovely.
Do you want to drizzle some on top?
I do, I really do.
Perfect.
Drizzle dip, done. Let's do it.
Yeah. So now that you drizzled your turmeric and ginger tahini over this amazing couscous, do you want to try?
I really, really do. Look how vibrant that is as well. It's so yellow. I haven't tried it with turmeric yet. That is so good. I love couscous at the best of times, but with that ginger kick.
Yeah, I thought it's just so simple, isn't it?
Really
Such a simple dish. Takes like literally 5 minutes to put together.
Can I take this home? I want to take it with me. It's so good.
And Louise, also, you love salads, same as me.
I do. They're so easy and quick to make, aren't they?
Yeah, absolutely. It takes, again, 5 minutes and you're done. So you can drizzle this beetroot and garlic dressing over our keto salad. So I made a keto salad for you, because all our dressings are keto as well, so have a go at this.
I haven't tried this one yet as well, so I'm so excited. I love beetroot and garlic. What a combo, just for a start. This is amazing. I'm getting to try so many different foods, and I haven't tried this dressing yet, and I'm very, very excited.
I love it because it's just so vibrant. I mean, the colors are just incredible.
That is so good. And is that like vegan sort of chicken on the top?
Yeah. So it's you can use the the protein of your choice, vegan chicken or like tofu, whatever you like. And yeah, this makes an absolutely amazing, delicious and nutritious meal as well.
It's got a bit of a kick to it, and I like that. Love it. And the colour. Look at the colour of that. Beautiful. Beautiful.
So happy you like it.
Love it.
Honestly,
Thank you.
Really happy. Great. And we've got one more treat for you. You told me that you don't like butter.
I don't like butter. Not a fan.
And mayonnaise is quite unhealthy as well. It doesn't have any nutrients. So that's why we have the garlic and herb tahini, which is, it goes in salads as well, but it's also the perfect mayonnaise replacement. It's nutritious, has calcium, protein and stuff. So
this is an absolute lifesaver for me because I use condiments instead of butter. So to find something that I can just drizzle on and use as a replacement for butter is perfect. And garlic and herb.
Yeah, garlic and herb.
Winning.
Okay, enjoy.
Oh, I'm ready for this, like you said, I need a bit of energy for the day, and this is perfect. And this is vegan ham, right?
Yeah, it's vegan ham, yeah.
Never tried vegan ham before, so I'm quite excited.
You can't get wrong with a sandwich,
Okay, that's amazing.
And no more mayonnaise.
No more mayo.
Have something more nutritious.
Love it. Well, thank you so much for having me. These were absolutely amazing. And it's so nice to try the beetroot. That was brand new to me. And as well, you can mix and match. I'm looking forward to kind of like putting them on different things and seeing how they work with different flavours. So thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Delicious.
I can't wait what you come up with next.
I'm so excited. Where can I buy these? Where can I get my hands on them?
Well, you can get all of them at Whole Foods in the UK now.
Oh, yes. So you at home can try all of these dishes if you want as well. That's so exciting.
Great. Well, thank you so much for coming. It was an absolute pleasure having you.
Thank you for having me. And honestly, always love giving these a try. So thank you so much. And these are going to get demolished very shortly before I go. I hope
absolutely.
That's okay.
Of course, that's what you're here for.
Thank
Perfect.
you.
Enjoy.